Do you want to learn how to schedule your post in BlueSky Social? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. Currently, at the time of making this video, BlueSky doesn't have an option to schedule posts like in X, Twitter. So in order to do this, we will be using a tool called nuelink. Nuelink is a social media scheduling app, and it also has these automations which are really cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that using nuelink. They just came out with BlueSky integration. If you do decide to get this tool, there's a 14-day free trial. There's a link in the description. If you go from that link and buy a plan on here, it's going to give me a small commission. So get a free trial. I'm going to go into my account, and inside my account, I'm going to go on the left. I will see social channels. Click on this and connect channel on the top right. Now inside here, you will see BlueSky. Let's connect it. Now it gives you this helpful tutorial on the right. Now it also gives you some helpful text here. So we need to log into BlueSky. So I already am logged in. We need a username, which we will take in from here, which is this. Copy this and go here, paste it. We need a @handle and your password. This password is your app password. So go to your app password, which you will see in settings in BlueSky. Inside here, you have to go to privacy and security. And inside this, you will see app passwords. Click on this. And now you can add a new app password, which you will have to use for all the third-party apps that will get access to your account. So let's click on this and it says add app password. You can just type in anything here. It doesn't matter. I can just type in ProSolve or something. Allow access to your direct messages. This is optional. Allow access to your direct messages. This is optional. You can just click on this and next. And this is the code that it gives. Copy this and save it somewhere safe, because you will not be getting it again. Believe me. This is just for one time. Once you click on done, it will be gone. So save it. Now, once you've got that app password, go back over here in nuelink and paste the app password here. Now connect BlueSky account. Click on this button and it's going to connect BlueSky account over to nuelink. And there you go. Status is now active. Now you can see the channel history, but there's no channel history because I just connected it. There's also refresh channel. In case the status says inactive or some issue, you can just refresh the channel, but it does not happen often. Now there's also delete channel. If you want to delete it, you can connect other channels as well. Now, in order to schedule post on BlueSky with the help of nuelink, on the left, we have create post. You can create a post from here. So inside the create post, we have these 3 columns. The first one is collection. So which collection do you want this post to be in? So on the first one, just select general. You can create more collections. I'm going to show you in a full tutorial if you want, but here just select general. And for social channels, I'm going to select my BlueSky account. And on the right, on the complete right, you will see a preview page. Now this is a collection, right? What happens is when you put it into a collection, every time a post comes inside that collection, it keeps on repeating it. So you can stop it inside the collection. Like how many times do you want to repeat it and such. Now here it says schedule once. So if you select this, your post will be scheduled once and not repeated. So if you just want this post to be scheduled one time and not repeat again and again, you can just click on this and select date and time like this. And on the right, we have post editor. Now inside this, you can create a post, a short form video, a thread. Now you cannot create a poll and story using BlueSky account. That's why it gets removed from our social channels from here. So I'm just going to select post and select our channel again. Now inside the captions, you can either type in it yourself or you can use the Nu AI, which is the AI inside nuelink. It's like ChatGPT, but better. Now inside the prompt, you can brainstorm ideas, add emojis and such. Now, in order to use this, we need to type in something first here. So for example, I'm going to say, write a post about Christmas and click on nuelink and prompt. Now it writes a full post about Christmas and we can just reduce it like this. We can select thread and add a new tweet. It says add tweet, but they need to change. This should be add post, but it's fine. Like it doesn't matter. So this says 2 into 10 post. This is how many posts you can add. So every post has 280 character limit. So I'm just going to remove these and add some of them as thread. So on the right, you can see it's showing the preview, and it says minus because we only can put 280 characters per post. So I'm just going to delete these. It says minus 109 still, so I'm going to delete some of more of them like this, and done. On the right, you can see our preview. Now below this, we have automations. You can click on this first one which says send follow-up comment. This feature is available on these platforms. This is saying that. So it's available on BlueSky. So I'm just going to select this, and it says comment. Images are supported on these platforms. BlueSky is also supported for images. So I'm going to write something here. Yes. And you can add image media library. You can add an image from here, from the media library. So it supports Unsplash, Dropbox, Box, and media library. Whatever images that you have added so far inside nuelink, it's going to show up. So if you have added an image long ago, you can just take that and input it instead of finding it from your computer. Now there is emoji picker as well. There's hashtag manager, add shortcode and such. There's AI assistant. Now, if you want to learn how to use nuelink completely from A to Z, step by step, I'm going to show it on my main channel, which I'm going to link it in the description so you can check it out once the video comes out. Now below this, we have condition, which says delay like comment. So I'm just going to say delay, and after 1 minute, it's going to post this comment below our BlueSky post that we schedule. Now there's link quote the first post of this thread at the end of it. This is available in these, and it's also available in BlueSky. So this option is going to quote the first post and is going to end it at the end of this whole thread. Let's do that to see it in action. And auto retweet after. This is only available in X, which was called Twitter before. So we are not going to enable this for now. I'm going to select the current time that is right now in my country to see it in action. So it's 7:15. It's currently 7:14. So I'm just going to select 7:15 and schedule it. Now it's currently scheduled. Now, once you have created a new post, it's going to show up in the queue section. Inside here, you will see that our post is in queue, but it says this post won't be published since you haven't added any channels for this post type. So this post is currently inside a collection. So we will go inside collections, and inside there you can add a new collection. But because we added it in general, it says please connect channels to this specific collection and set up day and time for this collection. So we'll go inside it, and inside here we will select the channel that where we want to post. So this is what I was saying before. Like, this is a collection. This is a set of posts that will be in a collection. So you can add different sorts of collections. It could be BlueSky, a daily collection, and it can be BlueSky monthly collection, that sort of thing. Now below this, we have posting time. This can be Monday, and every Monday we are going to post this at 9, add it. For example, I can also select every day. So every day at 9. Now every day at 9 is going to select a post from a collection, and it's going to post that post on our social channel. Now below it, we have a color code for this collection. You can change it. For example, this is a BlueSky post collection. So I'm just going to make it a BlueSky color, which was of Twitter before. To be honest, I do not like the X color, which they have. Now below this, we have share post on repeat from this collection. This is what I was saying before. You can re-add this published post to queue after these many weeks and such. You can also disable this. But this option is great if you want to keep adding it again and again. Like the post that you added today, it can be re-added to this collection and gets posted again like 16 weeks from now, that way. So it keeps it evergreen. Below this, we have posting from this collection. Post will not be published or scheduled until you resume it, that way. So if you do not want any post to come out from this, you can just select this. Set time frame. What date to what date do you want this collection to work from? So maybe you don't want this collection to post after Christmas. So you can just select the start date as November and end date as December end, and that's it. And it's going to only post this collection in the December and November time. First in, first out. New post will be added to the bottom of the queue. And if you want to add it in a different way, you can disable this and select this drop down, where you can make it last in, first out and random. There's share collection. You can share this collection with your own brands. So in nuelink, they have this option to create new brands from here. I'm on the business plan of nuelink, which allows you to create 6 brands, and a lot of different features are in it. I'm going to show you the pricing page of nuelink once we have scheduled and I've shown you how it works. Now next, below this, we have save. Duplicate this collection between your brands and move this collection between your brands. You can also delete this collection if you don't want it. Let's save this and update. Now let's go back to post, and we will see that our post is still in queue here, but it's scheduled now. And the collection is paused. Let's resume posting. Now, if you want this collection to have the post imported in it, there's also an option to bulk import. There's also a great option to use Canva's bulk import feature, bulk create feature, and then you can create like unlimited shorts, and then you can bulk import them in nuelink. They also have an Canva nuelink integration, which you can use directly in Canva to do this, which is really great if you want to increase your social media presence. Now there's a create post next to it. So if you want to create post and add it to this collection directly, you can do that. Now this is scheduled, but I want to show this right now, how this works. So I'm going to just say post now from here. You can edit it as well. Post now is going to give us this option. I'm going to select yes, post now, and it has now successfully posted to our channel. Let's go back, refresh this, and it says that it has been updated to 3 posts. And as you can see that the post that we asked nuelink to publish, it has been added to a post section. Now let's wait a minute and see if it adds that comment that we asked it to add. It has added that repost of the first tweet or this post or whatever you want to call it. It has added it here in the last post, this one. So if someone clicks on this, it's going to take them over to the first post in this thread. Now here, after 1 minute, it has added this comment that we asked it to add. So you can see how powerful this is. You can create post, and then after like 60 minutes, you can give your Gumroad link. Like for example, you can sell something with these posts, and you do not even have to be there posting them manually. You can just schedule them and forget about them, and it's going to be posted using nuelink. Now let's go back to nuelink, and they also have automations. So you can create automations. This is also a very powerful feature of nuelink. You can cross post from one platform to another. And there's also like, you can have a blog. You can also auto import any RSS feed. For example, if you have a Beehive newsletter, you can import that RSS feed inside here, and you can take that feed and automate those new posts that comes out from that feed over to any of your social media channels. Just like that, we also have WordPress. So auto import WordPress articles and add them to a collection that way. There's also e-commerce. Anytime new products get created on your Shopify store, it will make a social media post for it, and it gets automated to your social media channels. There's also social, there's podcast, there's more automations. You can connect Make, which is also a Zapier alternative. There's Zapier, Pabbly, etc. There's Etsy, and a lot more. It also auto imports YouTube videos from a channel and adds them to a collection. So anytime you create a new YouTube video, it's going to automatically create a new post for it and adds it to your social media channels. Now you can see how powerful nuelink can be. If you want a full tutorial on this, let me know. I will make it on my other channel, which is my main channel. This channel is for quick tutorials, and that's why I created this on here. Let's quickly take a look at the pricing page. They currently have a 50% off on yearly plans. This is Cyber Week. In my honest opinion, I would not suggest you to go with standard. It's best if you go with premium or business. I'm currently on the business plan. And if you're an agency, you can also get the agency and agency plus plans. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you do not like it, you can always get the money back. It's trusted by 31,000 creators. And it has got a lot of these different awards as well. You can check out all the features that they have on this pricing page. And again, if you go through my link in the description, it's going to help me out and may give me a small commission. And that's it. This is how you can schedule posts on BlueSky Social with the help of this awesome tool called nuelink. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.